Now that I have shown you how to find out the area of rectangle and triangle, it's your task to find out the area of circle. I'm sure you'll enjoy this challenge. Now, before even starting, you need to know what is the formula for finding the area of circle. Here, I'm going to write it for you so that you will get a little help. I'm sure you already know, but anyway, I'm just writing it here. So in order to find out the area of circle, we need the formula called pi r square, or we can say math pi r square. On the other hand, we also can say 3.1416, which is basically equivalent to the math pi, and then we can say r square. Now, instead of r square, which basically stand for radius square, I'm going to say radius into radius. That's how we need to convert this formula, okay? So you can pause the video and you can start working on this program. All right, I think you already have done it. If you could not do it, no problem. We're going to do it together. So we need how many variables? First of all, we need to define how many variables we need. We need a radius. So from the user, we're going to get this input radius. And then we need area, as a variable that's going to store the total or the area of circle. So let's do that. Here I'm going to write, let's say the variable is going to be with floating point, of course, because the radius can be floating point number, and that's why we are also going to define the area as floating point variable. All right, now that we can ask the user to give us the value for the radius, so here I'm going to put printf and then I'm going to say enter radius. All right, and then I'm going to get the value from the user, so that's why I need scanf for getting the input. And then we are going to get a floating point number. That's why I'm going to use %f as a format specifier. And then we're going to store this value inside the variable called radius as we define. Now that we have the input, we can start using our formula. So let me just copy and paste it real quick. And then what I'm going to do here, end of this line, I need semicolon. Again, here I don't need to say area of circle because our variable name was area. So let's just put it area here. Okay. Now, of course, you can define the variable, quite different way. You could say here area of circle, something like this, which is more meaningful. And of course, we can use it like this. All right. So let me just use it just like that. Now we can print the result. So let's do that here. We are going to print out the result. Let's say printf, and then we are going to say area of circle. And then let's print out the result. Again, here I'm going to use format specifier and also going to formatting a little bit here with %.2f, and then I'm going to print out the variable called area of circle. There is one more thing probably you are noticing. I really want to mention it here. When you're getting the input from the user with the help of scanf, always you need to use ampersand because it needs to know the address of the variable where you're going to store the value. But when you are printing, you are never going to use this ampersand symbol. As you can see, we're never using inside the printer. Okay, now let's run this program and let's see what happened. Here I'm going to run this program and it has run successfully. So here I'm going to give the radius, let's say 3, and then the result is showing here perfectly. I'm sure it is making sense to you. Of course, there are different ways we can do this. For an instance, we can use here math pi constant. So there is a library called math and we can use that library, and from that library we can use this constant because this value is already predefined inside the C library. So let me show you how to do this. We are going to talk about math anyway later on about this library called math.h, but for now I just wanted to show you. So here we are including math.h. Why? Because we are going to use this math pi constant. So instead of this, I'm going to remove it here and then I'm going to use, you can see when I typed m then underscore, there are quite many constants are here. So they are predefined value we can use. We just need this math pi and I'm getting it. So let me run this program again just to show you how basically this is working. So here I'm going to give, let's say the radius 3 and everything is working perfectly as you can see. So hopefully things are making sense. That's all for now.